Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habakran halor ka jiakhi bat ka jingdawa jongki Nonghikai Adhoc kabala tip kum ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya lani ka fastom u menteri sorkar u Peit ya katanat puli puthi u badang sushimti thamma ya kakam u ba lakaman rembui u badeiru u menteri jong katanat puli puthi ha ka sorkar MDA 1 Ulong bahausnam arjar arpuai arjar arpuar ka sorkar kala Pynkiew ya ka Tulop jongki henrei ulong bahakabai dei batkani ka jingdawa jongki ka baminta ka sorkar kan haban Peit chua ya ka Tyngka jongka katnu kan lut bat la ka sorkar ka la ne em banle AA ya kata
I have not study what is there, so I cannot comment right now because it is not a very easy for the government or for the department to do anything. But we are here to serve the people. We'll try to serve to the best of our ability. We'll try to see the interest of everybody to be taken care of. But having said that, we will call the Commissioner Secretary has already met all the organization, and the government in itself, they will do their best to see what it is to be done. But as of now, I cannot say anything. I have to see because government, whether I'm today or yesterday, is a continuous process. But we have to see the best. What we can do the best for the people, for all stakeholders. See, this is not a very new issue. This is the issue which is long pending. But having said that, it is not very easy for the government to do it because it involves a huge financial implication. And if you remember in 2021 we from the government have enhanced the salary of the teachers. I don't know exactly the exact amount, but we will study and see if financial portion of the government.